This is the FXW Rollick Dog Playpen, and I'm going to be giving you guys my honest thoughts and opinions about it after owning it for more than 1 year. I've had this playpen here for a very long time, and I've had it ever since I got my puppies, and it's been a great tool for them. So first off, after owning this Rollick Dog Playpen here for over a year, how has it held up? This thing's quality is absolutely phenomenal. I've been using this for a very long time, and it still literally looks brand new, which is absolutely crazy. Plus, as you guys can see, all of my actual posts here for the dog playpen are in excellent condition. I've actually staked these into the ground outside for my dogs, and you can tell none of the paint is gone or anything like that. But this dog playpen here has been a game changer. I have loved it for the entire time that I've had it, and it has come in handy for when my dogs were little and they needed a little safe place to hang out in. Because when you have puppies, you know, they're gonna get into trouble. So we can't really leave them out here in the yard alone, unsupervised, because they'll start digging holes, they'll start eating stuff they shouldn't be eating, and just getting into too much trouble. So if you have a yard and you do wanna use this thing outside, look at that. They're in a nice little contained area, then that way they won't get into that much trouble. So now, after 1 whole year of owning this Rollick Dog Playpen by FXW, I give this dog playpen 5 out of 5 stars, and I've loved it. I wouldn't have gone with any other dog playpen but this one. But if you guys do decide to get one of these dog playpens here, you will not be disappointed if you do grab one for yourself.